Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Shields, Saskatchewan, a small and peaceful community located in the southern part of the province. Shields is situated in the rural municipality of Fertile Belt, a region known for its rich agricultural lands and serene landscapes. The community of Shields was named after a local family who were among the early settlers in the area. The Shields family played a significant role in the development of the community, and their legacy is remembered in the name of this charming village. Whether you're passing through or considering a visit, Shields offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the heart of rural Saskatchewan. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Shields, Saskatchewan.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!